Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about live music with no room. And I was there was an outdoor event here close to the studio, so I was walking to lunch one day and I saw the setup and they were playing some music through the PA. So here's a short video clip of the response that I measured. I don't remember the song, some rock song, but let's just take a look for a minute here at the response of this. And it's quite amazing. Look at the energy below 125 and look at the energy above 125. It's really moving well together. All the octave bands are working well together. It's quite nice to see, you know. And that's because we got no room. Pressing and creating pressure and reflections, you know. All the fundamentals, all the harmonics are working together. Not one exceeding the other, not one dropping below baseline. And that's a direct result of we don't have a room boundary. We don't have a wall that produces pressure and reflection issues for frequencies that just don't fit in those dimensions, okay? Pressure and reflection. The room dimensions have such a big impact on response curve. I mean, there's no way in a small room we could get that kind of response curve below 100 cycles. So there's a big difference. Look at how it all moves together below 125. That's hard to get in a small room with a lot unless you have extensive treatment. So it's interesting to see the difference between outside, inside, and hopefully it gives you an idea of the impact that, you know, these small rooms have. I'll put a response curve in here for a still on, you know, a normal room, what goes on below, you know, 40, 50, 60 hertz, the big peaks, and then the big dip at 70 with the 8-foot ceiling. So you can kind of look at both of them and compare the two. So smooth response curve, all octaves work together. We call it the fundamental family. You have the fundamental and the harmonics, that's the family. Fundamentals, you could say, are the husband and the wife, maybe. You know, first order, second order, third order, fourth order harmonics would be the children. So live music, no room sound. Just thought you'd like to see this. I thought it was quite amazing. I just happened to walk by and thought, wow, well, this would be a good way to exhibit, you know, no room sound, because we're always talking about, well, what's the frequency response in these dimensions and this pressure level and this usage. And so here's a situation we don't have a room at all. And how wonderful that would be, right? Free space listening. Live music, no room sound. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.